bayaran dito. Ito.
Our next sponsor, graduation in Bachelor of Science in Nursing, at saka yun yung registered nurse. We have Miss Glyza Oliveros.
Ha? Oo.
Ang susunod naman isang appraiser, graduate ng Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Development Management. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Cindy de la Cruz Paulin.
Lalapit pa tayo.
Graduate ng Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management at kasalukuyang Dining Floor Manager, Mr. J. Pactibon. Kasalukuyang siya ang HR/admin of one semiconductor company in Laguna at nagtapos ng Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Miss Digna Escobar. Educational Services, ladies and gentlemen, Miss May, Johan, and Toma. Nagtapos ng Computer Management, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Leslie Amores. Ang susunod ay nagtapos ng Clerical Skills and Information and Communication Technology, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Medley Barreto. And next we have Mr. Darwin Guerrano. Mr. Darwin Guerrano. Siya po natin ay Mr. Kayo po siya ay Miss. Si Darwin. Oh, ganda ni Darwin ko eh, oh. Ang isa pa rin yung Mr. Isa na si Hensha Top Hairstylist. Siya ay nagtapos sa computer programming. Ang dating Mr. na siguro kayo ay Mr. Mr. Robert Cabalos Jr. Yan. Ba't kaya mga Junior? Ibang complexion. Oh. Next, we have a graduate of Automotive Engineering Technology at kasalukuyang Mechanical Maintenance. Ladies and gentlemen, ang isa sa pinakamagandang lalaking anak ni Ma'am Milen, Mr. Leon Harold Mercado. Next, we have a nurse assistant mula sa Takdak o Dicon Capsur, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Eva Pascuhi. Siya ngayon ay kasalukuyang ambulance nurse dahil isa siyang registered nurse. Siya ang resources speaker ng Pantawid Pamilya Program ng Alabat. Ladies and gentlemen, si Nurse Dan Jasper Escasa. Next, graduate ng BS Accountancy at kasalukuyang Accounts Executive. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Maria Christine Mascarinia. Nagtapos
Hope the days come easy and the moments pass slow, and each road leads you where you wanna go. And if you're faced with a choice and you have to choose, I hope you choose the one that means the most to you. And if one door opens to another door closed, I hope you keep on walking till you find the window. If it's cold outside, show the world the warmth of your smile. But more than anything, more than anything, my wish for you is that this life becomes all that you wanted to. Your dreams stay big, your worries stay small. You never need to carry more than you can hold. And while you're out there getting where you're getting to, I hope you know somebody loves you and wants the same things too. Yeah, this is my wish. I hope you never look back, but you never forget all the ones who love you in the place you left. I hope you always forgive and you never regret, and you help somebody every chance you get. Oh, you find God's grace in every mistake and always give more than you take. But more than anything, yeah, more